Stop, wait, need coffee in a hurry? Think I can make delicious caramel latte in under a minute using only pantry ingredients? Ready, set, go. So we're gonna start our kettle. Next, we're gonna grab a mug and toss in 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream powder. Anthony's is the best, all natural and delicious. And 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 tablespoons of caramel sauce. If you don't have caramel sauce, you can use brown sugar. It's equally as delicious. Now, we just pour our boiling water right over top and stir, stir, stir. Now, you can just sprinkle some cinnamon right on top if you're feeling like a fancy barista. And there you have it. Delicious caramel latte made in less than a minute. Put in a travel mug and you're ready to head out the door. You are unstoppable. You just saved 10 minutes to sleep in. You're welcome. And follow for more of my pantry magic hack and check out loadedpotato.org.